Wait, did you know Earth made a nuclear reactor, all by itself? 2 billion years ago, in Oklo, Gabon, nature pulled off a science miracle. A uranium-rich deposit sat underground, and had just the right ingredients. Then, groundwater flowed through, and triggered fission, just like a real reactor. The water boiled off, stopping the reaction, then returned and restarted it. Scientists only found this in 1972, when uranium samples looked suspiciously used. And guess what? The nuclear waste stayed safely buried for 2 billion years. Yup, Earth made the first reactor, long before humans ever existed. Earth was literally running fission before humans were born. Like and follow for more crazy science.